Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this video, I will show you how do you poll on Snapchat. So this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So first here, let's go ahead and open up Snapchat. Now you can take a photo like you normally would. Now from here, tap on the sticker icon right here, and you will have few options such as mention, sounds, location, topic, question, and poll. So this is what we want to use, so let's tap on it. Now you can type in your question here. Like for example, let's say, what do you think? So after this one, you can tap on next, and you can tap on my stories and tap on the next button in here. So that's it for this video, guys. That's how you do poll on Snapchat. I hope this is helpful, and I will see you on the next one.